I am so excited to start the branding journey with you. So in this video, we're going to start off with a logo for your company. Join me, we're going to hit our computers and let's do this. Zanele from African Multi-Design Channel. If we're meeting for the very first time, welcome. We're so happy you're here. This channel is focused on African entrepreneurs. If you're an entrepreneur or content creator working on a budget, this is the channel for you, because all of our material is geared to help you manage your budget and keep you professional and looking great so that customers can relate to your brand. So today we're going to be looking at how do we create a design, a logo design, a normal 2D, and then we're going to look at the 3D version of it in a short period of time, and keeping it clean and keeping it smart and professional branding. We're going to be using the Canva website, so the functionalities that we're going to be looking at today are available on the app as well. So you'd go to canva.com. If you would like a full tutorial, the link is on the description. And, by the way, all of the websites that we're going to be using today, all of the resources are available on the descriptions below, so you can access it there. Please don't freak out. So cool. Now you are on the home page for the Canva. Now you want to create a logo. So you're going to go to the search functionality over there, and you're going to type logo. And then you enter. Canva would then give you all of the logos that have been designed already by the graphic designers that are contributing towards Canva, as well as you. If you have a cool design that Canva likes, they will keep it here as well to share. So as previously shared with our previous tutorial, you can see if the logo or the design needs to be paid for, or if it's a free version of the logo. So you can scroll down through all of the logos and see which one you like, and select one and tweak it to whichever way that you want to do. You're welcome to do that. But for today's tutorial, we're going to create a blank one. We're going to create a logo from scratch, and we're just going to click on blank. And then it would open up a blank Canva for us to start working on. So we are happy with a blank one. We just click on the actual Canva itself in order for us to give it a name. Not a name, give it a color. So you see there are no text at the moment. So it does give a background color option where you can click on to give a background color of the logo that you would like to have. Because we want the logo to have a gray background, as we're going to convert it and have the background removed, for us to have a 3D effect, we're going to go with a gray background. And then it looks like that. So are we happy with our gray? Now we would like to add elements to this Canva of ours. We're going to search for elements, and we're going to click on there and search for a computer, for example. So they have thousands of free elements, but they also have paid versions, the one that say Pro on them. So my logo is a computer. I like this one, but you can scroll and see whichever one that you like based on your specifics as well as your logo. Mine is a computer. I click on the computer, and then the system just loads it on the Canva itself. I align it nicely. It's in the middle of the page. I'm happy with that. But I don't like the color black, so you click and you highlight it like that, and you click on the color to change whichever color palette that you want. Our brand is purple, so we're going to go with purple, and we're happy with that. And there's our computer. So we also have a heart because we like digital stuff. We love them. So I'm going to look for a heart. This one looks kind of cool. I'm happy with that. It adds it there. I'm going to size it nicely and make it the size that I want. I'll change the color to purple. And then now it looks as we love computers. And the last thing I'm going to do is to add text and the name of my company. So There's different kinds of text. I'm going to go with a heading text, and I'm going to bring it a little bit down and then type the name of our brand, which is African Multi Design. So if I'm happy with that, quick and easy, I can bring it a little bit. I don't like the black, so I'm going to highlight the text, change color to white, because that's what I like. And you can even change the font. Maybe you don't like the open sans. You can make it whatever font you would like. That big, nice font. I'm happy with that. That is my logo. I'm happy with that. You can do so much though. You can add your cell number, your social media number, whatever you want. You can add on here. For training purposes, I'm happy. I'm going to click on download, and then it will suggest a PNG. I'm happy with the PNG. I click on download. It will download it and it will save it on my downloads on the computer. And that's the first portion of me creating my logo. I'm done. Number 2, you would go to remove background .bg. It's remove.bg. In other words, remove background website, free website that you can use for us to remove that gray. Because in order for us to make the logo 3G, it needs to have a clear background. So now I'm going to access the website, and then I'm going to upload the logo that we've just created. I'm going to find it on my downloads. There we go. PNG. It loads it on there. And then there we go. The background is removed. It's gone the gray. There's the name of the brand. I'm happy. I download it again. And that's as easy as that. It has downloaded. Remove the background. Now I'm happy to go to the last section to change this logo into a 3D logo. Then I'm going to use a website, also free online tool called Photopea. And with the Photopea, I'm going to load a 3D mockup that I've downloaded already. So the link of where you're going to find this 3D mockup is also going to be on the description below. So you can go find it. Basically, once you've logged in on Photopea, you're going to find the 3D mockup that you've downloaded from your computer. So I'll click on open from my computer. And then I'll go search for where I've saved it. And I'm going to then load the mockup so that the Photopea website changes my logo into 3D. So there's the mockup. It's loading. I'm happy, and we wait a bit, and it looks like this. Once it has loaded your 3D mockup, you need to go on the right hand side and double click where it says your logo. Just double click on there so that it takes away the background and the name is the only one that's left. Once the name is left, you just click on don't show me the name, and then it takes away the name as well. Then you're ready to load your own logo so that the software can change it to 3D. So you're going to click on File, and then you're going to say Open in Place, and then you're going to go look for your logo that we just downloaded, and it's transparent, and we tell the system to please load it, and then it loads it. And once it's loaded, you just drag the logo over the mockup and you size it the way that you like. And then once it has loaded and you have sized it the way that you would like, you're going to click on File and you're going to say Save or Smart Object. So you wait a little bit and look at these lines. They're going to disappear as soon as the software has saved it as a smart object. So it tells you smart object changed and the lines are gone, then you know that your logo is converted. Then you're going to click on the 3D glass window logo and you wait a couple of moments, and then the software is going to then convert it into 3D. And there you go. There is your 3D awesome looking logo for free in less than 10 minutes. Awesome it looks. So all you need to do now is to export this design and as a PNG. So you click on File, Export, and then you say to the computer, I would like to export it as a PNG, and you can put your own settings over there, and you just click on save. It will download it to your downloads, and it would be a 3D looking like that, and awesome. And that is your 3D mockup logo in less than 10 minutes. Thank you for subscribing. If you have subscribed, if you haven't, consider subscribing from this channel. Thank you so much.